Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and yet another video. I haven't posted up for a few weeks due to the fact that end of July, when we was away last, to the 1st of August, we dropped the caravan off on the way home on the 1st of August to a place called Panel Works in Bawtry, just outside Doncaster, Yorkshire. Basically, it's gone in for its repair of the rear panel. For those of you who didn't know anything about it, there'll be a link in the description below. If you want to check that out, you'll find out what happened and what I did. Basically now it's the 22nd of August and we're on the way back up for a different touring adventure this time, from Warwickshire up to Yorkshire to fetch the van back, which I'm happy about. Hasn't been too long, so come along with us and we'll share how I got on. Yes, it should be down here somewhere.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
That's fair enough.
Turn left, then turn left.
Just,
Yeah, it's got barely
Yorkshire caravans,
yeah,
yeah.
this is a... What about that side? No, this side? No, there's
Turn
another one
left,
there.
then your destination will be on the left.
just got to find out where Panel Works is here now.
Right, this is where we're coming to.
Yeah, this is Yorkshire Caravans, and the place we're coming to is Panel Works. I'll just pull up over here. It says 5 minutes only, please.
Your destination is on the left.
Right, so I'll just pull up here a second and I'll just go in and see them, see what they say.
Okay.
Lay down please, Tyler. Panel Works is at the bottom of this site apparently. I've just got to keep going down.
Oh, okay.
It's a big place.
Looks so, doesn't it?
Yeah. Lots of caravans and motorhomes here anyway to have a look round while we're here, might as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Rude not to, really, to be honest.
Of course. Any excuse.
She says, well, carry on down to the electronic gates, which I take it that's them there in front of us.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's the last turning before. Oh, there's the P for Panel Works.
First, yeah. Can't go in there, so it's straight down.
Must be this gateway here then, look. Yeah, it says, I'll just say Panel Works office. I don't know where I'm going to go there. That storage up there, look, it's right where we turn before we. Where that gate is, that storage area, look.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. This must be it here then. Yeah, it is. This is it here.
Oh yeah, look, they're working on a caravan now. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, Panel Works. So just stop here and see what they say.
There's one of the repair booths with a paint shop and oven there. There's the caravan dropped off. Just take a video of the damage and more temporary repair. battery repair. White duct tape to the rescue. The spray booth and repair booth. Yeah, I say while we're going to have a look in the shop and also go and have a look around, see what else they've got.
Some caravans and motorhomes or whatever they've got.
It looks like it's just caravans there by looking at this here.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. The only thing she didn't tell me how to get through this barrier. Looks like they've got quite a big leisure shop and awning department and a showroom and parts department. Oh yeah, there is motorhomes here as well. Look, there's one there and that. So we'll have a look around the different caravans as well while we're here. Like I said, might as well make a morning of it, well, even an afternoon of it, won't we?
Yeah. I'm just thinking, where can we park?
Yeah, there's a car park here. Oh, look at that, the Lancaster Bummer lot and the Spitfire lot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there's plenty of them.
Yeah, look at that lot, Lancaster and Spitfire lot, look at them.
Oh, wow, yeah. They're really good, them, aren't they?
Yeah. It's even got a calf lot. It's even got its own calf.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Crikey.
This is a nice place to visit.
Yeah, it is, yeah. No overnight parking. Oh, we're at Yorkshire Caravans, and here's the finished result. Can't even tell. Great job. Right, car and caravan are now reconnected. Tyler in the car, waiting patiently. Another one of the spray booths and repair places. As I said, you can't even tell that it's been done. Really pleased with that. Made a cracking job. Oh God. Well, that's just us just ready to leave. Yorkshire Caravans and Panel Works. I have to admit, I can't highly recommend this place enough. The work they do is outstanding. Also comes with a 2-year guarantee. So happy with that. Really nice, friendly company as well. Highly recommend it. Yorkshire Caravans and Panel Works. So if you're unfortunate enough to ever damage your van, give these a shout, because as I said, their work is outstanding and that. So onward and upward, and we'll get on and get our way back to the storage. Well, that's the caravan back in storage now, and the insurance process was so easy to do and sort out. We literally phoned up the insurance, which is the Caravan and Motorhome Club. Within 2 days we had a date for the assessor to come out, which was probably another couple of days after that. He came out, and within 4 days of him coming, we'd had a phone call from the Caravan and Motorhome Club saying that the repair has been authorised. We're going to be sending it to Panel Works at Bawtry, Yorkshire Caravans, and to get in contact with them to sort out a date. They also turned around and says to me, the claim has been authorised. It doesn't matter whether you do it in a couple of days or as long as it's done within the next 12 months, the claim will be authorised. So we looked at the kind that we got for when we were away and when we weren't away. and arrange with Panel Works to get it sorted in August, like as I said in the video. I'm going to say again, I can't fault their workmanship. Kept in touch all the while. So very easy process up there as well. And like I said, if you ever in doubt and you do have, unfortunate to have a little bit of a bump, don't hesitate to contact them, because like I said, the work's second to none. 2-year guarantee. I'm going to say you can't knock it. So please, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And until the next one, I'll say bye for now.